I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Self. So you see, do a reaction to the message when I'm sent to Massacre, cause I wouldn't say it's a diss track. It's a message to Massacre when I call out Massacre and it bad. Massacre, it bad. So we have a next one for the right now. Yes, Dancehall Jealousy. Okay, jump in the one now. Dancehall Jealousy. Yeah, man. NG the Dan. If you don't enjoy that one, yeah, please, the link is down in the comment section. So go over there, tell them to your Jamaica Race Game and see it over there. And show some support. You see me? Let's jump in the one. Let's go.
We see jealous, we see the hate. Tell it. We see the grudge, we see the real king top.
Joe.
We see the real king top. Stress. We see the fight where you go on for be great. Cause a pro. Dance our shake. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated. We see the gatekeeper. I block the escape.
Them a try.
Boy, don't size up. Wise up, no make your vibes broke. When you see that.
Yo. One thing about NG can sing your fuck. The man vocal out of this world, bro.
We see the grudge, we see the real king.
The man vocal out of this world.
King top stress. We see the fight where you go on for be great. Cause a pro. Dance our
I'm gonna tell you time, see everything. We see not him, we see everything and a show. We see what go on. Remember say from teacher touch you road in the dog. The game change, you know. You see me? It changed with you, believe it or not.
Stress. We see the fight where you go on for be great.
We see it.
Dance our shake. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated. We see the gatekeeper. I block the escape.
We see that man.
Little boy, don't size up.
Yeah.
Wise up, no make your vibes broke. When you see say dancer, they are so nice up. No for uno used to ball out free world boss. No world boss free, no for uno earth class.
I show you know. You know much artists go up on stage and say free world boss, but you know why them do it for? Them do it just to get a forward. They only did it just to get a fucking forward because them know someone them call world boss name. Them are gonna get a forward automatically because Gaza fans them in the crowd. Them are gonna say.
When you see say dancer, they are so nice up. No for uno used to ball out free world boss. No world boss free, no for uno earth class.
Sure.
Them just did I do it for the hype. Just forget liquor shares and likes. This a fox me a highlight. Me a living witness for merciless fight.
You see it? It man just say it what. Them just did I do it for the fame and the hype. Yeah, him a tell us say, yo, him a living witness. The whole of we are living witness to merciless fight. We see all them did it merciless night business. We see it, brother, we see it. Yo, pull up this bumper clad.
We see jealous, we see the hate.
Pull up.
We see the grudge, we see the real king top. We see the real king top. Stress. We see the fight where you go on for be great. Cause a pro. Dance our shake. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated. We see the gatekeeper. I block the escape.
All right.
Little boy, don't size up. Wise up, no make your vibes broke. When you see say dancer, they are so nice.
Don't size up.
No used to ball out free world boss. No world boss free, no for no earth class. Them just did I do it for the hype. Just forget liquor shares and likes. This a fox me a highlight. Me a living witness for merciless fight.
We see it.
No uno can't stop the teacher. From black skin to the bleacher.
They can't stop it teach, bro. If you never stop him when him black. Now then him turn white out, bleach out. Now him gone back black again. Oh, not gonna stop him now, brother. Better don't love it teach, bro.
From black skin to the bleacher. The teacher give them first #1 feature. Show respect to a DJ.
The teacher give them the first #1 in a feature. How teacher give first number? A massacre. A massacre. I'm attack. Who are you?
Teacher give them first #1 feature. Show respect to a DJ.
I show that too.
The other day Afrobeat around the place. And a cartel come out and change the pace.
Show. One time Dancehall did last run one part run this. So them last Dancehall run this. So Afrobeat I run the whole thing. Burna Boy and him friend them. I run the whole thing. But you see from last year from Teacher Touchy Road. A problem. We now listen to the Afrobeat again.
The other day
I teach
Afrobeat
internet.
around the place. And a cartel come out and change the pace.
Yeah.
That look good for the culture straight, but instead I show gratitude, the attitude you survive it. We see jealous, we see the hate.
We see them.
We see the grudge, we see the real king. We see the real king talk. We see the fight where I go on for big great. Dancehall shake. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated. We see the gatekeeper. I block the escape.
One thing I can say about NJ. Well, two things. The G can sing. And the G not tell no blood clot lie right there. So anything when the man attack, a that a go on, bro. And that we see in front of our eye. We can come on, it's all in front of our eyes, bro. We're not saying it, but it's there. NG say it though.
Sorry for the chaos, Gaza taxpayers, but a legacy. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated, we see the gatekeeper. I block the escape. Sorry for the chaos, Gaza taxpayers, but a legacy again history layers. Sunfest get 25,000 first in a 10 years, but who cares when man busy? I watch next man gears real way.
Some man busy, I watch next man gears. How that? And I can't name. I don't know how. Ask NG. Listen, some fest get 25,000 patron. Now the first since 10 years ago, bro. First in 10 years. How them do it? Who made them do it? Why them do it?
25,000 first in a 10 years, but who cares when man busy? I watch next man gears real way. Pan cartel name, put respect, tell Bugle, check the project. I don't forget how it feel when elephant man never give you props where you forget. Work.
Bugle say something to what cartel? Bugle say something about teacher?
I don't forget how it feel when elephant man never give you props where you forget. Work rate hectic. We know this artist, me give the king credit and not from the artist. I'm enough for debate it, do the math quick. 1.3 million for your show, that's classic.
We see the numbers, bro. We hear the numbers, we see the numbers. We see the contracts the teacher sign, bro. To do them show you 1.3 mil, not Jamaica, US. That's about what, 800,000 pounds. Bro, we see it, dog. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, dog. Come on. We see it, bro. We can't hide it from. Which other artists I get the money that will come from Jamaica? Who?
Beat it, do the math quick. 1.3 million for your show, that's classic. We see jealous, we see the hate. We see the grudge, we see the real king. We see the real king talk. We see the fight where you go on for big great. Dancehall shake. Since the teacher get released from being incarcerated, we see the gatekeeper. I block the escape.
Pussy clap. NG. What am I gonna do with you? Remember, I said they don't like the truth, boy, you know. They don't like the truth, boy, bro. They don't like it. So, with a man like you, we are forward, bro, and I put out them bad song, yeah? Them bad bumbo clad song, with them bad vocal, yeah? With them bad mix and them bad meat, them bad beat, yeah, bro. And you chat them bad lyrics there. They make a bad mind you too. They make a fight you too, dog. Me tell you. You have a strong night. I have a strong night, bro. And everything with the GSA, everything with the fucking GSA, bro. A facts, dog. Everything. The 1.3 million for your show, the fight your teacher get, the facts say Afrobeat is a lead dancer. All of the things them go up on stage, go ball out free World Boss. One time World Boss free now, them are going to say them first number one feature. Like all of the things when the man say are facts, bro. The man not cap. Man not capping him rap, dog. That one I left in that comment section. Let me know what you think what I want to do. Me fuck with it. I fuck with it, man. I fuck with it. Let me know what y'all think about this one, bro. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. NG, make up yourself, G. Salute. Yeah, man, I'm out.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo.
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.